Papa Joe came today and he's feeding Grace.
Yum, 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 yum. Good stuff. Good. Oh, you were trying to do your trick, aren't you? You want to help mix it? Yes. More, more,
So
more,
you'll
more.
make it go all over the kitchen. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I tricked you, didn't I? Okay, here we go. About to get it.
Grace,
You're
does
about to
Papa
get
Joe
it.
know what he's doing?
No,
I
I
don't
think he does.
know.
He's a little out of practice, but he's done it before. Yes, your dad didn't starve to death. It might have been mainly thanks to his mom.
Yeah.
Although, I cannot to give you many a bottle. Gave him many a bottle. I said, yeah. Oh yeah, you
Don't
get quick
squat.
with that right hand. Are you gonna be right handed? Said, oh no, I'm gonna be amphibious. I can use both hands.
Amphibious.
You could be ambidextrous. No?